So, welcome back again to your Chuukese FinIasai YouTuber. I'm so excited. Today is Sunday, March 8th. Then I don't have this spongy thingy. Oh, I forgot. So you know what I wipe? This is what I bought, so I can use instead of using the spongy stuff. So I'm gonna use one just to see if it's gonna work with this. So. You know, if you don't want to do it, overdo it. I'm not the type of person that wanted to make too much of makeup on my face. I just want simple makeup. So let's do this up here. They get their sponge thingy to do theirs, but me, I'm doing my own thing. Doing my own thing. Doing my own thing. And how is that? Not too much. Not too much makeup. Right? This is just for my contour. Is it just less? Okay, so next one. This is the one I used, the 24-hour concealer. This is the concealer, not contour, but it's the concealer. 24-hour concealer. Now I'm gonna use, I was debating to use this one, which is Studio Fix number 35. I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna try use this one. So this one is Amazonian clay. It's a broad spectrum. Oh, this is really great because it's including sunscreen, so it can cover your face so you don't get sunburn. So I'm gonna try put some on my tap. Let's see. I don't want to put too much on my face. I don't want to put too much. Should I use the? I'm gonna try use this. I don't want to put too much makeup on my face because I don't want to look like a nail. So what I'm trying to do is just basic makeup, simple basic makeup. When you're in a hurry, you want to go to a party, or you want to go to a wedding or birthday party, or go to church. Simple thing. And last but not least, I don't want to put too much of the makeup stuff on my face, is that's how it looks like, the color. And then I'm gonna use this one too, so I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna use this one too. There, just little tap. First sequence today. So, last but not least is this one. I'm gonna try use my lip gloss. I just peel the sticker of this thing, but anyway, doesn't really matter because I'm gonna keep this in. I'm not gonna return it because I like it. So this is the last one. I'm gonna put it on my face. Should I put a little bit eyeshadow? Should I put it a little bit? I'm gonna try this one too. So let's try a little bit of the first this, just a little bit, and then a little bit sparkly, but it doesn't really show the sparkly thingy. It's right there. Okay, so not too much of my makeup, but that's it. So what do you think? My first attempt to put makeup on my face, the concealer, the foundation, and the eyeshadows, and my eyebrow. Oh my goodness, look at this eyebrow. So that's done.